So it's currently 8:45 at night, and on Marketplace, like an hour ago, I happened to find a shell just around the corner from home. So we're going to have a look at it. And I don't know where this is going now, but I'm excited.
Mate.
Oh, he's afraid to pull up directly beside us now.
Oh, maybe it's because of my eyeshadow. Especially in the dark.
We're going to turn up to look at this shell and the guy's going to be like, oh no. That man, you know, the hands.
Yeah, left. Sorries. No, come here. What are you doing? Come on. There's nothing up there for you.
Well, it's a couple of days after getting that shell dropped off. Obviously it was night time, and then I had work, but it pissed down last night, so here we go. I can finally actually have a look at it in the daylight. I've got Damo around here from Lacquer Garage. He's going to help me go over it. It's more of a matter of working out what I do have than what I don't have, because I know there's fuck all in it. But yeah, it's reasonably rust free and straight from what I could tell, apart from the fact that it's missing a rad support. But anyway, we'll have a look at it and try to work out what exactly I even have and how much rust free it actually is. Alright, so first things first, multiple people have tried to put a cooler in this. There is now less metal there than there is metal. With the very slight kink in that bit of the front rail, I think. But, all in all, apart from that, everything's fairly straight.
Lower's pretty straight, which is a good sign.
What have we got here? Fucking peeled right open.
The car came with a wild Damien.
Yeah, fuck, should have been worth less.
Yeah.
So there's a bunch of different shit in the back, just piled up, like the whole back seat area is just full of stuff. I have no idea what any of it is yet. I can see a couple of door cards and some carpet, so we'll see if it's even carpet for this. I really didn't ask too many questions on it. I just made sure it wasn't like folded in half or anything retarded like that. And
where's the 10 gram hammer go? Ooh, molding.
Hey!
Not for that.
Fuck yeah,
Not for that. Oh no.
yeah.
Hey! Somebody used it brain and found the thing.
More of it.
Oh look, we have ants.
Nah, I'm fucking done. It's got ants, it goes. I fucking hate ants.
Well, we got ants. That's it.
I don't want ants.
Oh my-
I have one cracked. It's pretty. That's pretty fucked.
We have
It comes with mold. It comes with mold. That's okay.
door pinch welds
Yes, wait.
and door seals. They are fucked.
They're fucked.
Yeah. They're cut.
I can still have a go at them. They only have to seal like 90% of it.
Have high quality Sony speakers. Oh, there it explodes.
Got another front door cut.
Ah,
More wheel nuts.
more Super Cheap Special. Passenger front.
Passenger front. Actually, not,
Relatively tidy.
that's actually not in bad nick.
Tweeter hole, but that can be covered. We have the technology.
I can put a tweeter in it.
Slightly.
Slightly fucky on the edge, but
So far, we've got 3 door cards.
fucking, it's not bad.
Driver's rear door card.
Actually,
A couple of scuffs.
couple of nicks, but not. Oh, it's actually not bad.
Oh my god!
That. Fix it. Not in bad nick. Maybe a reupholster, but the fact that we're finding some intact sedan parts, interior bits, is good. It's good. I'm leaning towards going full interior anyway, so. Is that boot?
Boot carpet.
Have I got boot carpet?
Boot carpet.
Yee-hoo! Sick. I have boot carpet. I wonder if it's sedan boot carpet.
Sunroof cover.
Hey! Hey! That's good bits.
It has ants.
No! You put it in the someone else touch it pile.
We got another seatbelt
Fuck yeah, and another
and
rear
quarter trim. Intact. Not fucked. Scratches, but
Hey, it doesn't have to be
good is
perfect.
good.
It just has to be there. So what we're doing off camera is we're kind of just piecing things together as they would sit in the interior, so we can get an idea of what I've got and what's missing. Because I don't know. I'm getting excited.
We have passenger side front seatbelt.
We have a complete set of seatbelts here. Oh yes.
Right side. That way.
Yes. Driver's side A and B pillar trim and little roof trim bit. Actually, it's a good neck. It's actually pretty mint. It's got a couple of scuffs, but sweet. Most of the clips are even there.
Driver's side inner kick panel trim.
Random bracket shit. I don't know. So I've got 2 accelerator pedals.
This
now.
one is slightly.
C's.
Oh,
That sounds like something snapped.
no, I just loosened the rusty spring.
Oh, nice. Is
And
that
cable.
good?
Yes, the cable is good.
Is that one of the metal fitting ones? Hey,
Good
it is.
cable.
This is one of the redesigned, like one of the Rico ones with the all metal fittings. So hopefully that will work for whatever motor goes in it.
Which could be a JZ, we don't know.
I don't think I'll change this. I'm leaning more towards something RP. Oh, we have a very disgusting clutch pedal, but we have a clutch pedal.
Clutch pedal nonetheless. Okay,
Yo.
yeah.
It's gross, but we've got it. I have a mirror visor.
Get the camera.
Get the camera?
Yes.
Okay.
Your car is growing.
Huh?
It has greenery.
Fuck yeah, free plants. I better tell Kat. She'll be excited. Holy shit of nuts and bolts.
Plenty of nuts and bolts spare. Many
I'm
things.
assuming all for this car.
Hopefully for this car.
Auto transmission firewall bolts
Okay.
and a factory manual car. Better not have fucking ants.
Probably has ants. It's got lumbar support.
It's not going back in.
No, it's not, but it has factory lumbar support.
Okay.
Removal of the nasty. Kick the door shut, Corey. Yes.
Ah, that's how you miss it.
So, door handles clearly don't work, but we have a way.
We got this. Alright. Plants. I'm gonna leave them chill for
so bad.
It's so soggy.
But greenery.
Yeah, don't know how much luck we're gonna have with this body harness.
No, look, it's wet. Bruh, I'll kick your brain.
You're assuming
Oh.
I have one?
Oh,
Hey!
you have to trim.
We have one trim.
One mildly non-fingered door trim.
Hang on, I seen another one that looked like this.
There.
We have two.
We have two.
We have
Door
two
trim.
door trims. Hey, this door actually.
Hey, it opens. Complete. Door harness is
Door-
complete.
Actually have a door harness. Hey, this one has the mech.
Is the whole regulator still in there?
Whole regulator, whole setup. Just needs glass. Fucking win. Glass is gonna be fucked to get for this.
Oh look, we have a Super Cheap Auto Special locking fuel cap. That wasn't the intention. Oh, I can smell the best of ethanol.
Was running on ethanol. My fuel lines are probably fucked.
Party!
I wonder what the pump in the tank's like.
Corey, open the boot for the people. Yeah, see, that's the thing.
It was bolted down. We just had to unbolt it for the frame. Somebody has chopped a hole in the boot.
Why?
I don't know.
I see more door trims.
Hey,
I see a freaking mirror.
hey, that's a
Oh,
start.
it's broken.
Why? What's it broken?
It's got the broke.
Oh, that's fine, as long as it stays on there. Dash trim piece, driver's side underneath the dash.
Yeah.
For your leg bit.
Whoever, or pinch welds and trim seals and the Coles antique bag.
Hey, that one might actually be usable.
Yeah.
That looks like a window seal.
That does look like a window seal.
That one might be usable.
Stay in the pile of things.
Another shit yourself handle.
Hey! Cat's gonna need that.
We got a
That's
full-
two. Yeah. Woohoo! We have 3 shit handles.
I don't know what this thing is.
In like,
Oh, steering column.
ah,
Steering column, holy fucking doobie.
obviously.
Can I put my hand in it?
Can you get your hand out?
Oh.
Oh, the big dumb.
No, I'm good. I'm good. We have pieces of shirt. Hey. Door handle.
Yeah.
More door
Two of
handle
them?
things. So these can go over right hand. Right hand.
Left hand.
Left hand. We have. Alright, now it's just me. I'm back on my lonesome. But I pulled most of the stuff out of it. So I've got a good idea of what I've actually got now. I've been having a look over it and I have found rust. But for an import, it's really not much rust at all. Not much at all. I didn't think there was much in it, but after having a good look at it, there really isn't that much. I found a bit more, but nothing too crazy. So I'll give you a little bit of a pan over of the rusty spots, and we'll I don't know what to look at next. I'm missing a lot, so it's gonna take a while to get it back to good. Just having the money to buy all the parts and all that sort of stuff, but hopefully it stops frickin' raining, so I get more money, more hours, more pay, all that, and I can actually start ripping into it. I'm not exactly sure what I want to do with it yet. Maybe RB30. Put an RB30 in it. Set it up for drifting, obviously. I really like it to be, I guess, kind of wagon spec. Sort of registered shitbox drift car. Maybe less on the shitbox side of things because I'm going to have to paint it anyway. So I might be able to actually paint it and make it look half decent. So I don't know, we'll see. There's a lot we've got to do. Alright. So in typical 33 fashion, because they have the battery in the boot, which is something I didn't actually know, we have a fair bit of surface rust through there. And then down here we have actual rust. Which, really? And that little bit down there. That's not too bad. That's not too bad at all. I can deal with that. We got a little bit up in the seam there. Nothing too crazy. Around our windows and everything like that. Even on the inside, we're good. Both front, that's for both front and rear. Woo, fuck, Jesus. No door stop on that one. There's a tiny little bit, you probably can't see it because of the purple tint. There's a little bit of surface rust on that seam, but that's about it. And it doesn't look like it had water sitting in it for too long because the floor's not too rusty. There's no holes from what I can see. Sunroof has leaked and there's rust on the frame of it. We've got one smashed in bit of the rail there. And this one's been squashed in a bit, but really it's not too bad. I'm feeling pretty good about this one. Like, we need a lot. The body harness is fairly butchered. Like, I don't know how I'm gonna go with much of that, but we'll see. It might turn out fine. I'm gonna have to go through, dry out all this water, and I'll probably just pick the sound deadening off while it's still waterlogged. There's a piece on this side here that's starting to come up that had water under it. So I'll probably get rid of all the sound deadening. Pretty sure there's some small bits of rust through here. They've just kind of sealed over. And this back firewall seam's got some rust in it, but nothing too crazy. Nothing that's actual like real big holes or anything. It's just along the pinch seam. Someone has attempted to get the radiator panel out. Done a messy job of it. That's proper fucked. But I may tub it anyway. But paid $350 for it, which, you think of all the stuff I've got to get, that's a lot. But if you think of it as in, I've got a shell that's actually pretty straight, and it's a sedan. I don't like 32. Yeah, I don't like 33 two doors. But 33 3-door, fuck me. But a 33 4-door, there we go. That's cool, I like that. 4-door Jap sedans, Jap sedans. This one was like imported in like 04, so it makes it my first actual import. So yeah, this is it, introducing the 33 sedan to the channel. Obviously it has a very, very long road before it becomes anything decent, but in saying that, it's going to be fun. I'm going to enjoy what I'm doing with it. It's something new, it's something different. My first import, so that's exciting. I'm thinking what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep track of the build cost. I'm going to have a build cost counter that I put up for each episode while it's actually getting built up to where I want it. I'm not sure exactly where I want it yet. It's going to be a lot of fun. There's a lot of work to do here, and should get some good content out of it. We might just let it evolve as we go, but I'd still like to hear what you guys think I should do with it, and if you've got any ideas or advice, because I don't really know much about the suspension setups and everything in the 33, and I'm kind of starting from scratch. I've got no subframes, I've got nothing underneath it, so I don't know, it's going to be a big learning curve. There's a lot to learn on it, and I don't know, I'm keen to tackle a new project. It's exciting, very refreshing. But yeah, anyway, I'll wrap it up here. Anyway guys, I hope you like the introduction of a new car to the channel. One that's actually mine, not just rebuilding a Commodore. But anyways, I'm going to wrap it up here. If you've made it through to the end, thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll see you on the next one.